the kitty. You gotta move his arm.
Pick up your arm, little buddy.
Come here. If you move his arm. Come on, you can do it.
Show us what you were doing a couple minutes ago.
Come on. No, that's what that sounded like. I'm not gonna do it.
We were all the way over on our side.
Alex.
Did we
Pick
wait?
up your arm.
Did we wait too long to get the camera out?
Pick up your arm. He's trying. His arm's
Your
in the
arm's
way.
in the way.
Say, Daddy, move my arm. Okay.
No. Okay, go. No.
Fail.